Quality circles are small groups of employees who come together voluntarily to solve problems, improve work processes, and improve quality by sharing ideas and working together. The primary goal of quality circles is to identify problems, analyze root causes, and propose solutions. Members will brainstorm ideas and collaborate to find innovative and practical solutions. Employees join quality circles voluntarily, demonstrating their commitment and interest in improving work processes. Quality circles empower employees by giving them a platform to voice their opinions, contribute ideas, and actively participate in decision-making processes. Remember to like the video and subscribe so you're notified when more videos like this are released. Here are some companies that have recognized the value of quality circles in engaging employees, promoting a culture of continuous improvement and driving innovation within their organizations. Toyota is often cited as a pioneer in implementing quality circles. They have incorporated various quality improvement methodologies, including quality circles, as part of their Toyota production system. Motorola. They have a history of implementing quality circles to enhance quality, productivity, and employee involvement in problem-solving and decision-making processes. Honda. Similar to Toyota, Honda has integrated quality circles into its manufacturing processes, encouraging employee involvement in identifying and addressing issues. Let's take a closer look at how Sony utilize quality circles. Sony, known for its commitment to innovation and quality, has employed quality circles as a means to tap into the creativity and problem-solving abilities of its employees. They encourage employees to form quality circles voluntarily, and these circles comprise of members from different departments or areas of expertise who come together to address specific problems or improvement opportunities. Quality circles at Sony are dedicated to identifying issues, improving processes, or finding innovative solutions to challenges encountered in their respective areas of work. Sony promotes a culture of continuous improvement through these circles. Once one problem is resolved, the circle moves on to tackle other issues, ensuring ongoing enhancements across the organization. Benefits of quality circles. They encourage active participation and engagement among employees, leading to increased morale and a sense of ownership in problem solving and decision-making processes. Quality circles focus on identifying and addressing issues that impact product or service quality, leading to enhancements that can positively affect customer satisfaction. Quality circles often involve members from different departments or levels within the organization, facilitating better communication and collaboration across different functional areas. Drawbacks of quality circles. Employees might be resistant to change and may resist participating in quality circles due to reluctance to change, established practices, or a lack of interest in voluntary activities. Without consistent support from management, quality circles may struggle to implement proposed changes or encounter roadblocks in acquiring necessary resources. Managing quality circles demands time and resources. Regular meetings, training sessions, and implementation of suggestions can strain the organization's resources. Thank you for watching this video. The next two videos that will appear on the screen are what YouTube thinks you should watch next.